Alright, welcome to Chapter 3, Section 1, Homework. Let's work these out. So, again, it's very important that we learn the definitions, the words used in this chapter in these sections. Express the quantified statement as in an equivalent way. That's this chart that we just created. Some buildings are garages. Some P are Q. There exists at least one P that, so this one has to be C because of our chart. Express this in an equivalent way. Some falcons are not birds. Some falcons are not birds. So we are not all birds. Not all falcons are birds. So not all falcons are birds. Down C. For example, there's a falcon that's a jet. There's a falcon that's a car. Express the contrast statement. No germs have made people sick. No germs have made people sick. So that's no germs. So this one then would be all germs have not made people sick. Again, if you just reference the chart, these are super easy. In symbolic logic, we use blank to represent statements. Do we use numbers, lowercase, uppercase operations? We use lowercase to represent statements. We use uppercase to represent sets. Number 5, determine whether a statement below is a statement. Remember, to be a statement, it has to be verifiable. The orbit of Saturn lies completely within the orbit of the Earth. Can that be proven? True or false? Yeah, of course it can. Even though it's false, it can be it's either true or false. That's a statement. All right, number 6. Determine with a statement. Does she always act like that in public? Is that an opinion, or is so? No, you can't prove if she always acts that way. So it's not a statement. Determine the statement. The statement. Pick up a paper on the way home. It's not a statement because you can't prove true or false. Do you like this color? That's an opinion. Remember, opinions cannot be statements. No professional hockey player has ever gone on to become a news announcer. Yeah, of course you verify that. Look it up. If you can Google it, it's a statement. Is this a statement? 9 plus 8 equals 15. It's a statement because we can either verify this as true or false. And number 11. Form the negation of the statement below. Today is April 25th. The way we negate it is today is not April 25th. So the answer is B. Number 12. Negation of this statement. Oslo is not the capital of Brazil. For the negation of the statement, Oslo is not the capital of Brazil. It is not true that Brazil is not the capital of Oslo. That doesn't make sense. It is true that Oslo is not the capital of Brazil. It is not true that Oslo is not the capital of Brazil. It is true that Brazil is not the capital of Oslo. We're looking for the negation. So, Oslo is not the capital of Brazil. The negation of that is, it is not true that Oslo is not the capital of Brazil. That one takes a little thinking, but remember, it's a negation. You have to negate the statement and the constituent parts of that statement. Let P, Q, R, and S represent the following statement. P, 1 plays hard. Q, 1 is a guitar player. R, the commute to work is not long. S, it is not true that the car is working. Express the following statement symbolically. The commute to work is long. The commute to work is not long. So we know that's the R statement. But this one says the commute to work is not long. If we negate it, the commute to work is not long. Remember in mathematics, negative 3 makes it a positive 3. So to get rid of a negative, we put another negative. So the answer is C. Express the statement not P in words. Vitamin C helps the immune system. We have to negate it. Vitamin C does not help the immune system. B. Write the negation of the qualified statement. Some eagles are not birds. Some eagles are, so some P are not Q. So the opposite would be no P are not Q. So some, so all P are not Q. Some eagles are not birds, so therefore all eagles are birds. From some to all, and negate that. So all eagles are birds. C. Find the negation of this. No 5th grader plays soccer. Okay, get back to our chart. No 5th graders are soccer, or play soccer. So here's our negation. There exists at least one or some P. So at least one 5th grader. Okay, if you use that chart, it makes it much easier. Alright, that does it for section 1. Good luck. We'll get section 2 in a minute.